Hey everyone, my name is Dustin Napier. I am the Chief Marketing Officer over here at adboost.org, and my job is to really help people get systemized, organized, and really scale with precision. And how we do that is really with four key components. One, you have to have a high converting page, whether that be your website. I do prefer landing pages, but again, every business is a little different. But we have to focus on conversion rate optimization. The second thing is you have to have the right ad strategy. If you'll notice, just even 3 months ago, what was working, you may notice with algorithmic updates, it's not working as well, okay? A lot of that is the creative component. And again, we're very, very good at that process. I'm actually gonna show something right above here that'll give you a quick overview. Check that out. If you're not using that framework from an ad perspective and an ad setup perspective, your ads, you may notice, have stopped working as well as they were. You have to make sure that you're fine-tuning these things and updating accordingly. The third thing, you have to have automation in place for your business. If you really want to scale and scale with confidence, automation is king. That's how we take the traffic, take those leads, take those inquiries, and turn those into either booked appointments, purchases, whatever that next step or next scenario is for your business. So if what I'm telling you sounds interesting at all, and you really want to scale your company, click the button below. Let's hop on a quick 20 to 30 minute phone call. Let's look and identify what's currently in place, okay? And let's show you strategically and creatively how we can make slight adjustments to increase your conversion rate and, more importantly, increase your company's revenue. Go ahead and click the button below. Thank you so much for watching this video.